Hey, this is John McGowan here with Better Jacks Beach. I'm at the March Jacks Beach Classic Car Cruise, and it's actually early. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, and we're already, Latham Plaza is already almost completely full. We've had a great turnout. You know, it's great weather. It's spring break going on. It's in the 70s out here, so we're having a great time. Before I take you around and show you some of the cars and we do an interview with one of the owners, I want to bring something to your attention. This is from the Beach's Leader, their annual guide. And in this, they actually included a section about this event. And it's actually, they got a full page here talking about, you can see the cars here, the Jacks Beach Classic Car Cruise. And then a couple pages over, they did a nice little write-up on the Jacks Beach Art Walk. And I wanted to bring that to your attention because, you know, Beach's Leader has been a good supporter of our events for Better Jacks Beach for the past 4 years. They didn't have to include us in there, they did. They're really oriented in helping the community and making sure it's a community-focused newspaper. And I wanted to encourage you to pick this up. This is actually, if you're a subscriber to the Beach's Leader, it was in your last paper that came in the mail. But if you're, it's available at City Hall. If you are moving to the area, when you sign up for the electricity out here at the beach, this will be included in there. But I want to just say thanks to the Beach's Leader for doing that, because without their support and without them including us in things like this, these events wouldn't be as well attended as they are. So I really appreciate it. So with that said, we'll go take a look at the cars. I do want to remind you this takes place on the third Tuesday of every month right here in Latham Plaza and in the Seawalk Pavilion right on the other side there. It's open to anybody that's got a car that you love. Send us an email, contact us through the website, betterjacksbeach.com, and that way you can sign up and get a spot. It's getting to the point where we're really starting to fill up, so we'll see. If you're not here tonight, we'll see you in April.
Yep. Oh, Cadillac.
Boy, that's a long one.
That's a big one. Yeah.
Look at how cute inside.
Yeah. Here he is.
Now Steve said this one has You're a married woman and you're raising
Actually, that's not my car.
This car was one of the most recognizable.
Well, it's late. You gotta drive home. So
Nice. That's race cars that anybody.
it wasn't about straight. It was on the rocks.
Well, there you go.
The ads was on.
It's a 1931 Ford Victoria. There were about 5,000 of them made. It was a 1931 car only. And the unique characteristic is the back. Normally a two-door sedan extended back to about here and was kind of straight down. Where the Victoria ended early and you have what's called the bustle. And in later cars, the bustle, they cut in a trunk lid so that you had a real trunk. The only way you can get to all this space now is to remove the rear seat cushion, and there's about that much storage in there. It's a 40 horsepower Model A engine, flathead. I bought the car from a widow in Albandale, Florida. car was in pieces. The husband had started the restoration, and I guess when I bought the car I had about 40 boxes and 18 coffee cans of parts, and so the big selection of putting the thing back together, finding everything that went with it, but most of it was there. And I guess I put the car together, finished it up, probably in about, I don't know, February. I finished it February a year ago, and just turned over 3,000 miles last week on a trip up through northwest Georgia. And the car's been to Maine on one tour, from Kennebunkport to Bar Harbor. And after we got to Bar Harbor, we decided, well, we're this close, let's go on up to Canada. And so we drove the car on to Canada and then back to Kennebunkport. And it's been a good running Model A Ford. And we drive her, so it's not a showpiece, but that's the story on the car.
That email though.